Welcome to this deep dive. Today, we're really getting into the fundamentals of marketing.
That's right. We're drawing on Roberto G. Medina's work, specifically looking at how to manage the marketing function.
Yeah, prepared by J.O. Tinker Candle. And our mission really is just to pull out the core ideas about connecting with an audience, serving needs, you know, stuff anyone can use, not just marketing pros.
Exactly. Cutting through the jargon to get to the practical stuff. How do you understand what people, clients need, and how do you effectively present what you offer?
Okay, so let's start with the big one. The marketing concept itself. It's not just about selling things, is it?
Not at all. It's the whole set of activities that make the sale happen, but crucially, with a focus on satisfying the client's needs.
Right, so they come back. Repeat business is key.
Precisely. And that applies everywhere. You mentioned engineer managers. If they need to convince a client, that's marketing. Understanding the client's problem first.
That understanding then leads into strategy, which often uses the classic 4Ps framework. Let's break those down. Product first.
Sure. Product isn't just the physical item or the basic service. It's tangible and intangible. It's about how it satisfies a need.
Like the car example. It gets you from A to B, sure, but it's also about a comfortable ride, maybe safety, even psychological benefits like status.
Exactly. And companies compete there, right? Improving quality, adding features, or even offering extras like, say, free consultations or estimates. That's all part of the product.
Okay, got it. Then P number 2, price.
Seems pretty straightforward, the money exchanged, but price communicates a lot about value.
Especially when services are similar, maybe, like that 10% service fee example in the
Yeah.
source, it becomes a point of difference.
Definitely. It positions the offering. Now, place, that's the third P.
This is about how customers actually get access, right? How reachable are you?
Uh-huh. Accessibility? Are you using sales agents? Do you need physical branches, maybe franchises? Or is it all online? It's about bridging that gap.
Makes sense. And the last P, promotion.
This is all about informing and, importantly, persuading potential buyers, getting the word out.
So advertising, publicity, that sort of thing.
Yes, exactly. Advertising is the paid stuff. Think TV spots, radio ads, like that ElectoCore ad mentioned in the PLDT Yellow Pages. Classic example.
Okay. And publicity.
That's the unpaid media coverage, like when the Nokia 3810 launch got written up in the Manila Bulletin. Earned media, basically. It often carries more credibility.
Right. So moving on to putting this all together strategically, the source highlights two main steps.
Yeah, first, select your target market. Second, develop the right marketing mix for them.
Okay. Target market selection. That means not trying to sell to everyone.
Exactly. It's about segmentation. Dividing the market, maybe residential, industrial, government, or by other needs. Then you analyze, is there profit potential here? And critically, can our company actually serve this segment well? Do we have the capability?
So focus is key. And once you have that target market,
Then you develop the marketing mix. And that's where you bring the 4Ps back in, but tailor them specifically.
so you adjust product, price, place, and promotion to fit that specific group and meet your goals for them.
Precisely. An industrial client might need a different product configuration, a different pricing structure, maybe different distribution place than a residential one.
And the promotion would definitely need to speak their language, address their specific pains.
Absolutely. You tailor the message and the channels.
The source gave a few more promotional examples too, didn't it? Beyond just advertising and publicity.
Right. There was personal selling. Think of spare parts dealers reaching out directly to workshops, face-to-face or direct contact.
Okay, more direct outreach and sales promotion.
That's things like contests, coupons, sweepstakes, short-term incentives to encourage purchase. The Bantel BMW giveaway was the example there.
Right, creating some immediate buzz or reason to buy.
So you see, there's a whole toolkit for promotion alone.
So boiling it all down, the core message seems to be marketing is fundamentally about ensuring client satisfaction to build loyalty and repeat business.
Exactly. Understand the need, meet the need.
And the 4Ps product, price, place, promotion, are the critical levers you pull to make that happen.
They're your tactical tools, yeah. But you need that strategic layer, first targeting the right people and then consciously deciding how to use those tools for them.
It's about being deliberate in how you connect and deliver value.
Couldn't have said it better.
Okay, so a final thought for you listening. These basic ideas, understanding needs, communicating strategically, using things like the 4Ps, they really aren't just for selling products in the traditional sense. Think about how they apply any time you need to connect with someone, influence them, get an idea across. So here's the question. What's one P you could maybe focus on right now to better connect with your own audience? Whether that's a client, sure, but maybe even a colleague, or someone in your personal life. Something to think about.